Good morning everyone, good morning from Bangkok and welcome back again into another vlog from Love Thailand. So the beautiful thing in Bangkok is that there are always new things to explore, and in today's vlog I'm gonna show you how to use this new yellow monorail line, which is new train line in Bangkok, and moreover to check one of the famous malls and markets located next to this line. So it will be very interesting vlog because first of all you are going to know how to use this new line, new train line in Bangkok, and moreover to check this exciting mall market located next to this line. Now first of all, let me tell you what's the easiest way to reach this yellow line from touristic areas in Bangkok. So the first thing we are going to do, guys, is to take the BTS to Samrong station, because if you want to interchange with the new yellow line there are lots of ways. One of them is to take the SkyTrain BTS to Samrong station. Another one, you can take it Huamak, the airport link. So lots of ways to interchange with the new yellow line. So in our case we are going to take the BTS SkyTrain to Samrong station. Let's go to Samrong, and from there I'm gonna tell you how to interchange it with the yellow line. So guys, once you arrive to the yellow line Samrong, from here take the MRT to Suang Luang station, where we are going to explore this big market along the way. So let's go and take the ticket and check how beautiful it is to ride this new yellow line. So it's so easy, as you see, to interchange it with the yellow line. If you are staying in Sukhumvit in touristic areas, you just have to take the BTS SkyTrain to Samrong station, and from there, as you saw, we took exit 3 to interchange with this new line. Now let's check and see how exciting to ride this new monorail yellow line. Wow, so beautiful. Check the seating way. You have at the right, at the left, and at the middle. So let's take a place and see some beautiful views along the way. So here we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed the ride. The ride was beautiful, little bit bumpy, maybe it's so fast, and moreover the views were fantastic along the way. As usual, it's freezing inside in BTS, MRT or this new yellow line, always freezing their condition. But as you saw, it's so beautiful. Now let's go and check how to reach this market. So as you can see, it's so easy. This is the train station, and moreover this is the market just next to the train station. And there is another thing, guys. If you want to explore the train market in Srinakarin, then it's also located next to this train station. So as you can see, the yellow line has many interesting stops along the way, and one of them is this train market in Srinakarin. But unfortunately today is Tuesday and the market is closed. So the market opens, if you want to visit the train market, it opens from Wednesday till Sunday, starting from 5 till 1 a.m. But now we are going to explore the market and the mall located next to this station. Let's go. So the beautiful thing in Bangkok these days that the public transportation line is getting wider and wider, so that taxis and tuk-tuks will not be a problem once you are exploring Bangkok. So guys, this is Sikon Mega Mall Market located in Srinakarin area. Let's check all the floors and see what you can buy or do at this market. So now we are at the ground floor. Usually if you want to explore any market and mall in Bangkok, don't miss the ground floor, because there are two things. The first thing, if you want to eat, there are lots of food options. The second, you will find all the promotions at the ground floor. So before start buying anything from any market in Bangkok, explore the ground floor As you can see along the way, you have kids clothing here with very affordable prices. This is a section at this market. First of all, let's go and have breakfast at this ground floor. As I said, lots of food options. Moreover, later we are going to check all the floors and see what are the other options. Let's go and eat something. Those were 3 yummy pieces, only 54 baht. Now let us start exploring this market and check what are the options. This is an interesting part at this market. If you come with kids, located at the ground floor, so you can relax here. As for parents and your kids can enjoy some activities, you can see how lovely it is. I'm sure families will be very happy here. You can enjoy your beers and while your kids is playing. Moreover, while your wife is shopping at the upper floors. So now we are heading to the first floor to check the shopping options. So this is the first floor, guys, and as you can see, there are lots of promotions, 50%, 70%. These things, for example, all are 50 baht. Yeah, that's 80 baht, 100 baht. So if you are at this market, then things are super cheap. So it worth to visit and do some shopping. Here you have things from 99 baht till 199 baht. And let's check here. Cross, original, everything you can see here is original, so no problem. Let's check the prices. These are for kids and they are from 450 baht fila. So you can see also there are lots of discounts on original sports shoes like this one, Adidas, only 1500 baht. This is nice. This one is beautiful, but it's not cheap. It's almost 2660 baht. This is 895 baht, which is less than $30. So if you want to buy sports shoes, this market is an option. 995 baht. I have made a vlog in MBK and showed you also original items with such prices, but here you have the options are a lot and you have all the sizes, so no problem. Those are the new collection, only 10%, and here you have not old collection, but it's 50%. Fila, Nike, Adidas, all the famous brands are available at this shop. So if you are at this market, visit it. It's at the first floor. So we are still at the first floor. Let's check these ones. These t-shirts are cool for Thailand. It's only 400 Thai baht. Oh my god, so cheap. I love this market, guys. There are lots of things with very affordable prices, huge discounts. Now let's go and check the second floor. Only 100 Thai baht, guys. So what do you think? Should you visit this market? Definitely you should, because you know how much I make reviews about markets in Thailand. This is one of the cheapest ones in Bangkok. Only 900 baht. So this is it. I think I'm going to buy one from this shop. Let's check. So I have got a Converse only for 999 baht, original one. Usually you cannot have these discounts at other malls in touristic areas in Bangkok. Now let's go and check the second floor. Alright, here we are. This is the second floor. In every floor you have lots of things to buy. So bring your wallet with you, credit cards, cash, no problem. And this is also one of the famous brands that I like to buy in Thailand, Vans. It's kind of Converse thing, but it's another brand. Let's check the prices. Alright.
Basket, like a t-shirt.
Kapong
It's a big Thai. Oh, thank you.
So if you like to buy such things, also available, check out the designs, the styles, the colors. This is at the second floor at this mall. So this is the third floor, guys. You can find lots of food options, restaurants. The food court is located here. Moreover, you have also places not only for kids, also for adults to play. Families will be happy. Lots of kids playgrounds located at the third floor. You have many Japanese and Chinese restaurants if you like to eat sushi, and moreover the cinema is located at this floor. So I think a visit to this market, it's worth, because from the ground floor till the second floor you have lots of promotions for shopping, and once you are at the third floor you can have some lunch, dinner, watch a movie, maybe play some games like this. So the options are a lot at this mall. Moreover, it's really quiet. So that's one of the privileges. Once you visit such malls not located at touristic areas, it's really nice because you can shop and do your activities without the hustle. You know, you've watched many vlogs about MBK, Pratunam. It's so crowded, so busy, you can barely walk. Once you go to those malls, you will have a headache. But here, it's really relaxing. And the most beautiful thing these days, as I said at the beginning of the vlog, there are always new things in Bangkok. And one of them we have discovered today at the beginning of the vlog, which is the yellow monorail line. So if you want to come these days to such markets where there are so much promotions, and moreover it's really nice to walk, shop or wander around, it's so easy. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and of course had an idea how to use the new train line, the yellow line, and along the way to check such new places, malls, in order to get some discounted shopping. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. See you in another vlog. Stay safe.